The 29th of January, we have the 11th, that's how we communicate with ourselves. The 1 from the month, the 8 and the 10 from the year, and the path is a 5. So this day is asking you to, no, it's not a 5, it's a 4. I'm sorry, it's a 4. Yeah, it's like, something's missing. So it's the 4. And it's okay to correct yourself. It's okay. Don't have a judgment on that. It's the 4. The 4 is the neutral mind. There's no good, there's no wrong. Just be present. Feel what's in your heart. And communicate from your heart. Find your rhythm. Let your heart shine its light. Allow the divine timing, the divine plan to come through you. And I always see the 11 as the lighthouse, as the one that brings the heaven on earth. So it's a great day to think about your plans. What's your next step? Don't make it too big, and don't make any big promises. But knowing where you want to go is, especially this year with the 10 as our knowledge, having your dot on the horizon is going to just make life so much easier for you. It's so much more focused. You don't need to go all the way, you can just take a little shortcut and think, is this on my way? No, then you go back. Because you have your dot on the horizon, it's clear. So you do not meditate on it. Stand in this archer pose and get your point on the horizon clear, so you know where to go. You know what's your next step. And that is gonna give you power, trust, and energy. So may that inspire you for today to have that plan ready, aligned for yourself, for your soul, and work on it step by step. The next step is all you need to know, and then the next step, and then the next step. So take it easy, calm down. It will all be okay. Feel it in your heart.